Okay, so here's a little bit different look. Welcome to not the shop and not the loft above the shop, but actually our home office where we do everything from. And I do a lot of my designing from down here. I'm in the process of moving the print farm. And I'll give you a little bit of a glimpse of it. It's still a work in progress. But the problem I had with the print farm being up in the loft, other than the fact I had to air condition that in the summer and heat it in the winter to a higher temperature to be able to print up there, was I had to have the printers in 3 different rooms. If you've watched my previous videos, you've seen a lot where I've been in front of a few of the printers, but there are 2 other rooms where we ran printers as well. So what I'm going to try to do is consolidate everything down here in what's I call our home office. It's where we do the business for the 3D printing items, the laser engraved items, laser cut, sublimation, things from our nursery and our greenhouses. It all comes through here. So give you a little look on what we're doing, and keep in mind this is a work in progress. It is by no means complete. Okay, so along this wall over here we have lots of shelves, and we also have our we have a commercial copy machine here for things we do. But everything else is, I've got all my filament on shelves right now. I've got 4 of the printers moved down here so far, and we have some more space over there yet. I got a P1 that just came in, that P1S I should say combo, and I haven't unpacked that yet. I'm trying to get this set up. We're going to be doing our live streams from down here now. I just need to get the rest of the logistics figured out. This is going to be a lot better having everything in one place. And I've got lots of cabinet space. There you see in the center of the yellow things you see are envelopes where we use to ship a lot of the 3D printed things we sell. And on the table right now is a Bamboo A1, a Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, and 2 Kingroon KP3S Pros. I'm still keeping a few bed slingers around, and those little Kingroon printers are just reliable. They just work. So we definitely keep using those. My X1 carbons, I still need to move those down here. Another A1. And then I have a Cobra 3 Max coming sometime towards the end of March. So I need to figure out the logistics of getting everything in here and everything moved so that everything will fit. But it's nice having everything in one place, especially this nice rack up here to store filament in. Well, there's just a little quickie on moving the print farm and what we're doing with it. Everything's going to be moved down here. We have greatly experienced a increase in 3D printed item business, so therefore I have upgraded some of my printers, and yes, I've a little bit of a fiasco with Bamboo, their labs and their tech support, and we got that straightened out, and I do have that firmware fiasco going on, but we operate all of our printers in land mode, so I don't really care what they're going to do with their firmware. I just won't upgrade it. I'll just continue to do what I do, use Orca, and this P1S, I do have a Panda Touch ordered for it, and I know they say that not going to work anymore. Well, I'm not going to update the firmware, so there. I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll wait and see how everything shakes out. So again, a little quickie. Thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Maybe give you an idea for your print farm if you're putting one together. Mine is not huge, but it's now consolidated. Thanks for watching. I'm Roger in the office. See you in the next one.